Did you know that one of the top universities in Africa has recently decided to stop using AI detection tools completely? Yes, the University of Cape Town, or UCT, in South Africa, has just announced that by October 1st, 2025, they will stop using AI detectors like Turnitin's AI score. Why? According to the university authority, they believe that these tools, they simply don't work the way we think they do. And instead of trying to catch students using AI, UCT believe that is taking a whole new approach that could change the future of education. So let us break down what is happening actually and why it matters and what this could mean for students and universities around the world. As we mentioned, the universities believe that these tools, they are built into plagiarism checkers that claim they can tell whether an essay, for example, or assignment was written by a student or by something like ChatGPT or any AI tools. But here is the problem. According to the report I'm referring to, report by UCT, the problem is what? These tools, they are unreliable. Why? They often produce what they call false positives. False positives means accusing the student, for example, that the student has used AI when actually they did not use the AI tools in assignment or the project. At the same time, also, they can give us the false negatives. False negatives means telling us that the assignment or the project was not done by using AI tools, while actually the students have used the AI tools. So that means the system designed actually to ensure the fairness can actually create the opposite. The opposite is the mistrust, stress, and unfair punishment for the students. So, what is the alternative? According to UCT, they are willing or they are planning or they have created something called the AI in Education framework. So they have created a framework that will govern the use of AI in education. Instead of relying on this AI tool, the software to play detective, so the university wants to teach the students and the lecturers how to use AI ethically and responsibly. So that means they will give the students AI literacy training so the students understand when and how to use these tools critically, not just to copy and paste. Also, they will give effective training to the lecturers through new workshops and seminars and even short courses, and they call this as designing with the AI. So the designing with AI courses will be given to the teachers, the lecturers to learn how they can design the courses, the assignment, the project by using AI. And thirdly, also, they are going to give a new method of designing the assignment and also the assessment, how the lecturers can use the new method to assess the students' project and the students' performance so they can be more AI resilient, more AI resilient. So that means the way the professors, the lecturers will assess the students' performance will be different. So what does that look like? Think about something like oral exams, for example, or a group project where work is observed, practical assessment is done, and even the assignment where students must openly reflect on how or if they actually use AI tools in their work. So this is the bigger pictures here, okay? So AI detectors don't solve the core issues. If assessment can be done entirely by a chatbot, maybe then the problem is not the chatbot itself. The problem with the way we are going to assess the students' performance. So UCT is saying, let us rethink how we measure the learning process, how we measure the students' performance, how we assess them. So let us come up with the new way of assessment. As long as we have now AI tools around us, so let us think, let us bring a new way of assessment. Let us make it harder for the students to simply copy and paste from AI and easier to solve a genuine understanding. So this does not mean that the cheating or the misuse of the AI tool will disappear overnight. No, but it does shift the focus from punishing the students after the fact to building an education system that values the skills, critical thinking, and transparency. So now, as we see, UCT is not the first to take this decision. Universities in Pretoria and within South Africa, they have already taken this decision. And even some critics are saying that UCT actually is late in taking this decision. But other experts, they argue that these steps are critical and necessary for going forward to bring the changes in the educational system. So if we analyze this decision, the decision has a positive impact and we can say and a negative impact. A positive, we can summarize it in 3 points. The first point is that with this decision, students will not be unfairly punished by using these unreliable tools. The second thing, everyone will get a chance to learn how to use AI responsibly. And the third point, that means the way the teachers, the professors will assess the students will be more creative. I mean, the assessment process will be more creative, more focused on the real understanding. So will never be the same like before. The challenge or the negative side is that it is not easy to implement this idea because you are talking about redesigning the assessment and the new method of assessment. So it takes time. It takes time and need training as well. So you need to train the lecturers, the professors, how they can come up with the critical thinking, assignment and project, and how they can come with the new method to assess the student performance. The second point of challenge for this is not all staff and students are comfortable with the AI. So meaning they need more training. They need to be comfortable with the AI tools. And also, the last challenge is that some students will still try to misuse the AI, right? So no matter what they will do, some students, yes, they will misuse the AI. But anyway, the key is what? UCT is betting that the long-term education will benefit from this decision. Education will benefit. So the students and the teachers will be more familiar with the ethical use of the AI tools. So what do you think about this decision? Is UCT making the right call by stopping the use of AI detectors? Would this work with your school, with your universities? What do you think? One thing is clear, as we know, AI tools is not going away. No one will stop the AI tools in the real life. AI tools are going to stay. Whether you use it or not, they will exist, these AI tools. So the real question is whether education system will adapt to the AI, like what UCT is going to do now, the other universities in South Africa. So they have taken this difficult decision to stop using the AI detector tools. So what we're gonna do, right? So think about it. It's not an easy decision. It's really a brave decision, and we should salute those universities, by taking this kind of decision. So I hope that the other universities around the world, they will think about this. They will follow the steps taken by these universities in South Africa. And I think it is gonna work. I think it will be a sustainable decision, a sustainable, solution for dealing with the AI tools, for using the AI tools in education, in scientific research. So let us know your thought about this and comment on these ideas. And please follow us for any new update about the education, the research, and around the world, and follow our channel. Hope to see you next time. Thank you.